kapot, gat in de bodem en daardoor ging vervolgens de brandblusser af.
Peugeot mais elle est pas trop touchée.
Wouhou, et...
All six cars, Kevin Hansen moves across, trying to shut the door, and Ericsson Solberg in the come across on Chris Thompson. Oh, contact! No! Chris Thompson did the tyre wall! He destroyed it! Verstappen in two!
Front wets on the rear, but I think Lopez has gone all round, hasn't he? Which is a real brave move.
Well, he's fine.
And there the marshals. How many did it take to push a Volkswagen Golf? 8 by the looks of things.
Im 30er im Zweikampf, dann gab es die Berührung bei ihr hinten auf die Ecke, dann konnte sie das Auto nicht mehr abfangen. Touchierte ganz leicht die Leitplanke, kommt als UFO. Dann würde ich da nicht versuchen, das Ding weg.
And that, Julian, is not the way he wanted to start the day. That's a bizarre incident.
That's it, andปังอุ้ย
3 คันเลยป้าย MC ครับโอ้นฤชิตนี่ก็เฮ้ยเบียร์มองรถ
Еще и ногами тормозил. И посмотрите, еще и подошвы, батя.
And now almost pushing Harold Prochik as a car going straight on. That's Jan Safer taking to the oval, and looks like he's outbraked himself at the end of the straight. A little bit of oval racing for you this afternoon as he rejoins on the back section.
Absolute fierce racing entering our B-spec. Brian Fowler up onto the curbing, tried to hang on to it, but that true car Shea Racing
Questo mondo prima da una Formula 1, ma il tuo mondo, i tuoi tempi e il rally di oggi, guarda qui. Che bellissimo.
È incredibile, sta facendo delle cose un po'...
Ha rischiato di farsi male, adesso deve correre dietro la macchina. Attenzione, eccolo qua. Ha fatto un piccolo danno.
WRC 2 runner Elvin Evans having insult to injury.
To the first corner at Panicle Bend as he pushes it a bit too wide. Oh, it's sideways. Keegan Gold's done well to hang on to it. If he can hang on to it, no, he's one way down the other. And a real back slapper on. And then finally the car is lost entirely, but he's managed now to get it back into second.
Positie nummer 4 in de wedstrijd op de bult. Oh, daar is Gauw als hem kwijt. En dang, daar is de touché. Kijk eens, bijna gelijktijdig een pier.
In the rush to get his extra light put off the Hyundai, Andres had forgotten something. Williams. Andreas surprisingly only lost 26 seconds.
Stuart también. ¡Uy, piña! ¿Quién se pegó? Sodo Toranzo. ¡Uy, qué piñita! Y ahí va. Muy bien. ¿Sabe lo que dijo Matías? ¿Sabe lo que dijo Matías? Si la sangre tiene olor, estoy herido.
Y bueno, Ojanic, Cosenza, Braga, Mayenza.
Watch what happens here, Steve.
This was earlier with Sebastian Bourdais. Oops! There goes that lovely crystal trophy.
Watch this space.
He's got a good spirit. That's what's left of Sebastian Bourdais.
Eine Safety-Car-Phase ein. Hier wird die 16-jährige gebürtige Lettin vom Möbelpacker über die Leitplanke.
Problems earlier on, and a huge shutdown at Rivage. That is the number 132 car of DDS Racing.
A couple of the locals trying to get a good look at what happened there. Don't mind us, we're just crossing the road. Yep, on our way to school.
Though is level with Ekstrom up towards turn 1. Ekstrom's going to run wide. Off the inside, Kevin Hansen. Absolutely no mercy. Kevin Eriksson all the way around the outside. That's an outrageous move. Kevin Eriksson started the win.
Oh, Marshall heading out. Is it hot? Is it hot? It's it is. Brilliant, mate. Good on you. He's going to kick that exhaust all the way to the finish. No, out. Fantastic. Chucks it over.
And he somehow avoided a tree with this wild moment.